Car seat installation. Installation. To install a child seat restraint with seatbelt, route the seatbelt through the correct belt path on the car seat and buckle it in place. Be sure that the seatbelt is not twisted but lays flat against the seat. Once you have the seatbelt as tight as you can get it, slowly pull the top of the shoulder belt out as far as it will go from where it is attached to the car, and switch it into the locked mode and feed the excess webbing back. In the locked mode, you are unable to pull the shoulder strap out again. Once you have the seatbelt buckled, push firmly down on the seat where the baby's bottom would be with one hand, and pull the shoulder belt to tighten with the other hand. This pulling will tighten the lap belt to secure the car seat firmly to the vehicle seat. Push down and pull at the same time. You can also install the car seat with the latch. The lower anchors are bars that are located on the frame of the vehicle seat between the back and bottom seat cushions. Oftentimes, they are marked with the lower anchorage connector symbol, but not always. To install, route the lower anchor strap from the car seat through the correct belt path and attach the connectors to the bars. The hook should be facing down when connected. Once the anchors are connected without any twists, push down on the car seat and pull firmly on the access strap to tighten the seat in place. It is extremely important to make sure to follow the car seat manufacturer's guidelines to ensure the correct recline of your rear-facing seat, which is between 30 and 45 degrees. This is indicated by either a line or bubble indicator on your seat. An infant's head is much bigger in proportion to the rest of their body, so when they fall asleep, their head can flop forward and affect their breathing. If their head falls too far forward, it could block their airway altogether and they would not be able to breathe. When installed correctly using either the seatbelt or latch, the car seat will move less than 1 inch from side to side or front to back at the seatbelt path. If installing a rear-facing car seat, once you secure the child restraint in the vehicle, the back of the car seat should not touch the back of the driver or front passenger seats. You should be able to fit your hand between the two. When installing a forward-facing car seat, the top tether strap should always be used, regardless of whether using the lower anchors or seatbelt. Connect the tether hook to the tether anchor in the car, and like the lower anchors, pull to tighten. The tether helps secure the top of the car seat and keeps it from moving forward in a crash. Harnessing. The harness straps for a rear-facing car seat should emerge from the car seat slots that are at or below the child's shoulder level. Move the straps to the next slot up when your child's shoulders are physically at the next harness slot location. When the child is forward-facing, the strap should be at or above the shoulders. You should not be able to pinch any extra harness strap once you've adjusted it for your baby. If you can fold the strap in half at the shoulder, you need to tighten it. Once the harness straps are snug, the harness clip should be placed at armpit level. Keep the straps clean, flat, and untwisted. Airbags. Never place a rear-facing car seat in front of an active airbag. Airbags come out at speeds of up to 200 miles per hour. If they hit the back of the car seat in a crash, it could kill a baby or cause severe brain damage. So never put a rear-facing car seat in front of an active airbag location. Airbags are designed to protect an adult-sized person and would be overpowering for a child. Children are safer sitting in the back seat until they are a teenager. Thank you for watching this video on keeping babies safe.